Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdanillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Muhammad Kamrul Hossain, Department of Business Administration, Metropolitan University, Sylhet. Welcome to my virtual classroom, MKA Classroom. Now let's start today's video tutorial. Today we will try to see steps of credit analysis. Previous classes we have discussed what is credit analysis, but today we will try to discuss steps of this credit analysis. Credit proposals are needed to be analyzed by the following some logical steps. Here we will see the 8-step analysis process. First one, collecting loan information of the applicant. Collecting business information for which loan is sought. Collecting the primary risk related information. Assembling all credit information together. Analyzing sensitive risky credit information. Analyzing refund and very essential risk information. Making decision on the basis of loan analysis. Decision the appropriate loan structure according to the positive decision. So design the appropriate loan structure according to the positive decision. Now you will see these steps should be discussed very precisely. First one, collecting loan information of the applicant. So it requires a collection of information from past and present financial statements of the business provided by the applicant. Analysis of the proposal characteristics, that is, whether he is involved in any forbidden activity such as gambling, drinking habit, or any other unethical affairs, is also focused in this step. That is the first step. You have to collect the information of the applicant. You have to collect information. So this information is related to the applicants, that he has the drinking habit or gambling or any other unethical affairs. He focused in this step. So this type of information should be preserved or stored in this step. Number 2, collecting business information for which loan is sought. That means why this applicant take the loan, or the purpose of the loan, why he take this loan. That is the second step. Bank should know the purpose of the loan, the amount of the loan, and whether it is possible to implement the project by that amount. It is essential to collect the information about the sources from which borrower would repay the loan. That is the another important things for the loan officer, that collecting business information for which loan is sought. That means for the which purpose the applicant take this loan. So that's why bank should know the purpose of loan, the amount of the loan, and whether it is possible to implement the project by that loan. Whether it is possible to implement it is essential to collect information about the sources from which borrower would repay the loan, where how he repay the loan, or from where he will repay the loan. The loan officer should also collect the information if the borrower took any loan before and the present condition of that loan, and also know the market price of the asset that the borrower is willing to place against the loan. So that is also the very important task for the loan officer, that he should judge if he take the loan before and what is its condition, present condition of that loan, and what is the market price of the asset he give as place against the loan. That is the second step, should be maintained carefully. So here I am going to talk to you that if the bank should follow total process if correctly, then no loan is become bad debt. So we are now hearing very much that bad debt loans were bankruptcy, some peoples are become bankrupt or become bad loans in our country. So because the banks are not followed the appropriate steps of providing the loan. Number 3, step 3, collecting the primary risk related information. So here is the following things: assessing the overall political and economic risks, identification and give explanations to positive and negative factors in the conducting the business, evaluation of the positive sides of the cash flow and its possible stability in the light of the historical demand of the business, consideration of the future consequences and a need of investment in the light of applied loan proposal and repayment assurance of the loan, evaluation of the impact of balance sheet of the borrowers after using the loan, assessing the possibility and the extent to which changes occurred in the risk level previously measured. These are the collecting primary risk related factors. Assembling all credit information together. Step 4, collection of detailed descriptions about the proposed loan, collection of detailed information about the loan applicant, collection of growth of business activities of the loan applicant, detailed descriptions of the general financial objectives and plans of the business, collection of evaluations of the other related information is required. So in number 3 here has to collecting the risk related factor, and number 2 why loan is short, and number 1 the information about the applicant, and all this information should be assembled in this step 4. Step 5, analyze sensitive risky credit information. Here is the topic for analyzing the information. Inspection of the proposed business location. So loan officer should go to the business where loan is short, inspect the loan business locations, collection of detailed information regarding profit earnings from existing bank clients and other parties related to the business. Inspection of internal working environment of the business, analysis of the information regarding trading and availability of getting credit opportunity from the suppliers and the relationship with the suppliers, analysis of the audited financial statement. So these are the analyzing portion or analyzing steps. Number 6, analyzing refined and very essential risk information. Analyzes the history, integrity, sincerity in the individuals and overall sense towards the proposed business on the part of the owners, employees, staffs and levers of the company. After considering the sources of the management of the business, and the loan officer should examine the intention to repay the loan, analyzes the possible political and economic risks, identification and measurement of positive and negative aspects in conducting the business, evaluations of the operational and the possibility in the consideration of the proposed loans, identification of the sources and uses of future cash inflow and outflow of the proposed loan project, determine of the demand for working capital at present and in near future, assessment of secondary safety of the collateral and security. Last step, or making decisions on the basis of loan analysis. Determination of the explicit or implicit risk level of the proposed loan. If the level of risk is beyond applicable, the loan proposal should be closed and with the negative comment. And number 8, design the appropriate loan structure according to the positive decision. Determinations of the type of loan, duration of the loan and amount of interest in the light of risks associated with the loan. Loan analysis process should be stopped here if the terms and conditions for applied loan are not acceptable. Get approvals from the appropriate loan sanctioning authority. Sit for the discussions with the borrowers about the acceptable conditions of the loan. Preparations and maintenance the necessary documents of the permitted loan. That is the last step. So here as a diagram you will see collecting the information of the loan applicant, then you will see collecting business information for which loan is sought, then collecting primary risk related information, assembling all the information, analyzing the sensitive risky credit information, analyzing refined and very essential risk information, making decisions on the basis of loan analysis, and lastly design the appropriate loan structure according to the positive decisions if decision is positive. So assembling the risk information, then here has the analysis the information, then here has the possibility of getting loan back on the basis of analysis. If it is possible to get loan, then here has the decision taking time. If it is positive, then you have to maintain several positive relations, positive structure, how the installment would be. So these are the total credit process, credit steps. Here we discussed with that 8 steps for the credit analysis we are discussing in here. If any bank can maintain these steps, then the bank should be safe and sound without bankruptcy possibility. So these are the very essential steps for the banks for providing loans. This all about today. Stay home, stay safe, try to maintain a safe social distance. Try to wash your hands frequently in a day. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaika. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.